Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to talk about folding and hanging your clothes. Alright guys, folding a shirt. So here's the shirt laid out. What we're going to do is we're going to turn it over on its face so that we're seeing the back of the shirt. Alright, let's lay it down here. Something like this. Okay, then we're going to fold the sleeve and the side over about like so, and then we're going to take the other side and do about the same thing. Okay, and then we're going to take from the bottom, we're going to fold this up so that this space is about the same as that space. Alright, and then fold it one more time and turn it over, and we're done. Okay, now for pants. Not too complicated. We'll take one side and fold it over to the other side. Alright, put it straight. Then we're going to take and fold this way, and then we could take the whole thing and fold it back this way. And there you have it. Now we can take all our pants after we get them folded and all our shirts after we get them folded and put them away in your dresser or wherever you keep them. Alright, so what about socks? What we're going to do is we're going to take one sock, lay it out, and find one that matches. Put that on top. And then we could just fold them over and put them away like this. Okay? That's fine. That's the easy way. Or we can take them, we put the one on top of the other, and then we open one while they're side by side. We open one and turn it inside out over both of them. Okay, so you end up with it nice and neat like this, sort of, and put it away like that. That way they're not getting away from each other. Okay, let's do that again. One there, then open one around and put them both inside. Okay, one more time. One there. Make sure you found the match. And then we're going to open one around both of them. Okay? And then you can put these in your drawer. Alright, now, maybe you want to hang your clothes. So here's the t-shirt that we folded earlier. This time we're going to hang it, okay? So we get a hanger. We take the hole where your head goes right here, and we put the hanger into where the sleeve is, and then the other side, same thing, and there you have it. And this can be hung up in your closet. And for the pants, here's the pants. We're going to fold them over this way, and then this way. Then we're going to take the hanger. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. You see where the separation is here? We're going to put the hanger here. And that ends up with them being like this. And then we can hang them up in the closet. Alright? Alright guys, so now that you've got your clothes all put away, you can go outside and play. Well, that is if your parents say so. Anyway, that's it for today guys. I'm Mr. Sean, and I'm out of here.